Welcome back guys in the Corel X7 training. In this lecture I will tell you how you can download and install Corel X7, the latest version of Corel graphic designing software. This is Google in front of you. You will just write Corel X7 downloads, enter, and this is the official website of Corel software. You can click this and you can just download the trial version of Corel from its official website. You can use it for 30 days. I mean this one, free trials, and if you want to buy it then you can buy it, but if you want to use its free version then you can use for 30 days. You can download trial from here. Just click it and download 30-bit version or download 64-bit version depending on your operating system, which operating system you have. I mean the Windows, if you are using Windows. I'm using 32-bit version of Windows, so I will just click this and it will take me to my computer so I can save it. Actually I have downloaded this software already and I have installed as well. After you download the software, the installation process is very easy. You can install it like other software you install on your computer, and after you install this software you will get an icon on your desktop like you can see here on my desktop. So I have installed Corel X7. I first downloaded from that website and then I have installed. So you can see this is in front of you, and when I double click it, so it will open here and you can see its application is now loading. So you can simply download and install Corel software, and after you have installed it and it's ready to work, then we'll go and we'll start learning it. Stay tuned.